Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'll be telling you guys about two stocks that you want to watch right now, two you want to put on your watch list. So don't take my advice. I am not a financial advisor. However, I'll be giving you two stocks you need to be putting your eyes on. Put them in your watch list, look at them, because I think buy-in opportunities are coming. Okay, so before we get into the two stocks, make sure you like this video, make sure you comment on this video, and make sure you share the video. Also, subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notifications so you'll know when I post a video. We're also on the road to 100 subscribers. So let's get on into the stocks. Now, the first stock on the list just had some news come out, and they just lost a trial and they must pay up some money. So the stock is going down a little bit. You know how I do, man. When you have news that comes out about a stock, it can make it go up or it can make it go down. And this time we're going down. So you want to watch this stock, because I don't know about y'all, I like to buy low and then sell high. So let's get into the first stock, Intel. Now, Intel was looking like it was gonna go up. It was looking like it was shooting up for the moon, right? And then they lost the trial. So let's go over here to the news. Intel loses U.S. patent trial order to pay $2.18 billion to VLSI Tech. Now, me personally, I believe Intel will be around for a long time. This chip maker is one of the best out. You know, the rival AMD. AMD is probably like an $85 stock right now, $84 stock. But Intel right now, you can get into Intel and they pay a dividend. But they lost this trial right here. And the news broke the other day. And I believe it will give us a great buy-in opportunity, because people are starting to sell off of Intel. I don't know if they're not believing in Intel anymore, but like I said, I believe that Intel will be just fine. They will rebound from all of this. With technology still going up and up and up, everybody's still looking to innovate in technology. I feel like Intel will be just fine. Now, let's look at the just the small little analyst of Intel. So let's go back over here, and the first thing I like to look at when I'm looking at a company is the PE ratio, only 12.39%, and they are paying out a 2.21 dividend. 2.21% dividend. Intel is a great company, especially for people who like the term growth and the term dividend together. So if you like dividend growth companies or growth dividend companies, however you want to slice that, I feel like Intel will be one of those for the long haul. So look at Intel, put it in your watch list. Let me know what you guys think about Intel and what you guys think the future projections of Intel will be. What heights do you think Intel will go? Now, I saw Intel being at somewhere around at the end of the year, being at around maybe 65 on the median end, maybe going down and pulling back to about 56 on the low end and going up to at 70 on the high end. Now, that is saying that there will be no kind of market crash or correction coming, but I feel like it may be, but we don't know yet, because as soon as we think it is, the stock market goes up the next day. So that is that. So that is the first stock. Now, the second stock on the list is a little bit of a riskier choice. Okay, this stock right here is a little bit of a riskier choice, and I feel like it will pay off in the long term. This stock is just going up around the 30, and then it goes down into like the 27s. And I bought in at about 30. I'm going to hold. I'm thinking about putting even more money on it, because it's below my buying price. I'm thinking about averaging out my buying price right now, because it went down a little bit. And this is a stock that is a part of that tech group soon. They just had to merge with Lucid Motors. So if you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. So let's look at the stock. Churchill Capital at about 27.77 right now. They're up in the pre-markets, 28.38. Feel like it's a great buying opportunity. People right now, I feel like, are just buying in, and then as soon as it goes up to about 30, they sell off, or they trade in options on this stock very, very heavily right now, because it is a cheaper stock and it's very, very volatile right now. It's going up, down, up, down. It is doing all kinds of seesaw maneuvers up in here. So that's what you have to watch out for. They have the merger with Lucid Motors, and I feel like, see, Lucid talk on valuation for Churchill Capital. So like I said, man, if you're a believer in the future of electric vehicles, I feel like Churchill Capital is one of those long plays, man. One of them long plays. It's a long play. I bought in at 30. I want to buy a little bit more. I just had to see where the market goes a little bit. But this is one of those that you put in your portfolio, you leave it there, and you just have to leave it there, let it build over time, because Churchill Capital, I feel like it's gonna be a great play. It's gonna be a great play. Right now we're getting in on the cheap. I got in at 30, like I said, but right now you can get it in at 27.77. Just like Intel, it's down. It was down a lot yesterday. It was down 9.38%. It is very, very volatile. So look, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just giving you my thoughts and opinions on what's going on, especially just normal, you know what I'm saying, as a normal regular day person. I'm just giving you my thoughts and opinions, and I want to hear your thoughts and opinions as well. So let me know what you think about those two stocks right now, because I think both are at, or going to be at, bargain prices. Okay, bargain prices. So without saying a whole lot, I'm getting into a rant about these two stocks because I believe heavily in both of these right now. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's your boy Dave N.